Star Reader Award, and Outstanding Speller Award. Liana Julian P. Aparente. Dixie Ayla A. Banyares, Most Cheerful Award. Amara Martin S. Contreras, Star Reader Award, Outstanding Speller Award, and Most Confident, Amara Martin S. Contreras. Carly Dumagit, Most Active and Star Reader Award, Carly Dumagit. Vanya Avery L. Fernandez, Most Friendly Star Reader Award, Vanya Avery L. Fernandez. Juan Lucas P. Jose, Most Helpful and Active Adventurer Award, Juan Lucas P. Jose. Zachary Calix W. Manlangin, Most Articulate and Star Reader Award, Zachary Calix W. Manlangin. Gianna Candice P. Reyes, Most Caring Award and Amiable, Gianna Candice P. Reyes. Last but not the least, Gavin Jules M. Verzo, Most Responsive and Numeracy Star Award, Gavin Jules M. Verzo. Let's all give them a warm applause. Congratulations. Fingers last. Picture po muna. Let's have a picture taken.